G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today I'm joined by
Lana
Psycho
and Caitlin. And today, for Halloween, we're making a spider's kiss.
It's spooky! It's spooky!
This recipe calls for Midori,
Sky vodka, chocolate syrup,
Orange!
a lemon. Before we start, we need to dress the glass. Gently dress your glass by drawing some lines and then some crisscrosses to resemble a web. Then add 1 part of Midori and 1 part of vodka.
30 mils of lemon juice! And shake until it dies!
Shouldn't we chop this up as a garnish?
Cut it!
Pour your mixture into your glass.
and add a dash of grenadine on the side for that extra blood.
Garnish with a slice of blood orange. Woohoo! Cheers!
And you're done.
Tell us what you do to improve this recipe.
See you next time!